Good morning, students. In this class we are going to learn a pencil drawing scenery. In the first step, shade like this. Shade on the part like this. Shade like this. Shade like this. Then take a piece of folded paper and rub like this on it. Rub like this. Then in the second step, draw a line like this here, like this. Draw a line like this. Then in the third step, draw the lines like this here. Draw these shapes like this. Then draw a small pole like this here and draw like this. Draw few more poles like this here. Draw the poles like this. Draw like this in the fourth step. Then in the fifth step, draw two trees like this here. Draw the branches like this. Draw like this. Then in the sixth step, draw two birds like this here. Then in the seventh step, dark here. Dark here like this. Then dark these trees and this also. Dark these like this. Then in the eighth step, draw the leaves like this. Draw all the leaves like this. So dear students, draw this and send in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.